I'm the singer and guitar player in a band called Easy There Tiger, and we just dropped our first demo about a week ago. We wanted a music video to go along with it, but we didn't know what we wanted to do. So one night, we just went to practice, and then we realized while we were at the practice room that we could just film ourselves playing then and call that our music video. We actually went to the practice room just to practice. We brought the cameras with just because we wanted to make like a vlog video that night. That never ended up happening, but we did get a music video out of the whole night, so. Alright, so we played our set twice so far. We have like a 30-minute set. Our house show, we're like the first people playing. It's our first show ever as like this band. We've played shows before, but not as Easy There Tiger. So, it's different. Actually, this show is the first show we've ever played using backing tracks. So that's kind of a new thing that we had to figure out. Well, that pretty much just Jordan figured out, and good job, Jordan.
Thanks.
Way to go, man.
Jordan, Mr. Music Business. Are we gonna film a
Oh yeah, we should. Maybe we might try to make a music video tonight. Yeah, let's do that. So if you're trying to make a music video for super cheap, this whole music video is literally just 2 cameras the entire time, and we played through the song I think 4 times. The first time we played through, I had 1 camera just set up on the drummer, and then I took a handheld camera and I just got up on a bench and got like some above shots. All right, let's make this music video happen then.
All right. Hey.
There was a stacked up drum set in the room. I just put the camera on there and started singing right towards it. I needed some shots of me singing too, because I'm the lead singer in the band, and I mean obviously in a music video you need the lead singer to be singing the song. So Jordan actually filmed me and Justin, so that was another shot we had. So then we had this shot of me singing, and we had the shot that I had set up on the drum set of me singing. So that's what we used. That's what we had for me singing. We didn't want the whole video to just be us playing. We knew we wanted a little bit something more, but we weren't really telling like too much of a story. I guess if there's any story behind the music video, it's just us like on our way to Guitar Center. That's it. There's like a little part of the video where I threw in a clip from New Year's this year from me and Jordan standing on an ottoman toasting a whole party that was at our apartment where we were toasting 2018. That was just kind of a cool little thing I wanted to add.
I love all of you. Let's have a good night. Here's to 2018. Let's go!
We were vlogging that night, like we wanted to, so we had the shots of us walking through the alley that I threw in, some driving shots. I don't believe I used any driving shots in the music video though. On our way to Guitar Center, yeah, that's all we used on the car ride there. We had this one shot right here. I look like a dick in the music video because I just randomly shoved Justin, but in this video you can clearly hear that he says, let's pretend we're fighting. So then I just shove him right away.
Let's just pretend like we're fighting. You know what?
And yeah, so that's literally the whole story of how we went to Guitar Center to practice, and then we just decided to make a music video in one night. So basically, you just want to have a couple cameras. You want to have a couple cameras, and you just want to play through the song like 3 or 4 times. Maybe more if you want a little bit more shots, but I mean 3 or 4 times is plenty for us. We just wanted to get a simple music video out there to accompany the song, because I feel like watching a music video, it gets people a little bit more interested than just like a still image. So yeah, that's the whole story, and then the rest of the night we just went home, ate some food, and we didn't film anything else because we already made a music video, so we didn't need to do anything else. I'm really awkward at outros, so I'm just not gonna do